Let's take a look at this example. We are going to have 1 in cell 0, because remember, anytime we have variable with the negation bar, that variable represents 0. So I have 0, 0, 0, 0. This is binary 0. This one is 0, 0, 1, 1. This is binary 3. This one is binary 8. This one is binary 11. This one is missing one variable. It's missing variable a. I have to expand this term by multiplying b, c naught d by a or a naught, because I'm missing variable a. This is going to be equal a, b, c naught d or a naught, b, c naught d. This is binary 13 and this is binary 5. I'm finished with this term. Let's go to the next one. I have b, c, d naught. b, c, d naught. Again, I'm missing a. That's why I'm going to multiply this term by a or a naught. And I'm going to obtain a, b, c, d naught or a naught, b, c, d naught. This is binary 14 and this is binary 6. Let's take a look at this map. How many groups we can create? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 groups. Let's start from the first one. This group is placed in 2 rows and 1 column. The common variable for these 2 rows is b naught. At the top of this column we have c naught, d naught. c naught, d naught. Next, this group is placed in 2 rows and 1 column. The common variable for these 2 rows is b. And we have to copy down everything, whatever is at the top. I have c naught, d. Or this group is placed in 2 rows and 1 column. The common variable for these 2 rows is b naught. And at the top I have cd. I'm finished with this group. Next one is placed in 2 rows and 1 column. The common variable for these 2 rows is b. And I have to copy down cd naught. Let's take a look at this expression. Can we factorize anything? We have b naught and b naught. I'm going to factorize b naught from these 2 terms, and I'm going to factorize b from these 2 terms. And I'm going to have b naught, c naught, d naught or cd or b, c naught, d or c, d naught. This is exclusive NOR. I have b naught, c, exclusive NOR. C, exclusively NOT with d, or b, c, exclusively OR with d. So I'm going to call this term Q naught and this one I'm going to call Q because they are complements. And I have B naught, Q naught, or BQ. This is exclusive NOR. I can rewrite this as B exclusively NOT with Q. But we said that Q is equal C exclusive or D. That's why I can rewrite this as B exclusively NOT with C exclusive or D. If you want to implement it, this is if B, I have exclusive OR with input C, D, and I have exclusive NOR at the end. These are the solutions to my problem.